The unexpected realization hits like a tidal wave. Your ex, who seemed so indifferent post-breakup, is now haunted by the memories, and you're the one who's occupying their thoughts daily. The power of nostalgia. Over time, the brain tends to highlight the good and blur the bad. This nostalgic filter makes your ex reminisce about the happier moments, sparking a longing for what was lost. Social media triggers. A simple post or photo can send your ex spiraling into a memory lane. Seeing you happy or looking great can unexpectedly make them miss your presence and shared experiences. Hearing your name. When mutual friends mention you, it can stir curiosity and emotions. Your ex might start wondering what you're up to and if they made the right decision to part ways. Loneliness strikes hard. During lonely moments, your ex might reflect on the bond you shared. The comfort and connection they took for granted suddenly seem more appealing and missed. Seeing your favorite spot. Passing by your usual hangout spot can trigger memories. That place becomes a reminder of the laughter and conversations, making them yearn for those moments again. The comparison game. When dating someone new, your ex might subconsciously compare them to you. If the new person falls short, it can make your ex appreciate what they once had with you. A song on the radio. Music has a powerful way of evoking memories. Hearing a song linked to a special moment you shared can flood your ex with emotions, making them miss those times. A dream reminder. Dreams can bring back vivid memories and emotions. If your ex dreams of you, it can reignite old feelings and make them question if they truly moved on. Life challenges arise. When life gets tough, your ex might recall how you supported them. Missing the emotional safety and understanding you provided can make them long for your companionship. Seeing happy couples. Observing happy couples can make your ex reflect on the joy you shared. It's a reminder of what's missing in their life, sparking a desire to reconnect with you. Unexpected encounters. An accidental run-in can be a powerful trigger. Seeing you, even briefly, can stir emotions and make them realize how much they miss your presence in their life. Revisiting old messages. Sometimes, scrolling through old conversations can make your ex nostalgic. Those sweet words and inside jokes can rekindle feelings they thought were long gone. A moment of weakness. During vulnerable times, your ex might crave the comfort you offered. This longing for emotional support can make them realize they miss having you around. A change in perspective. As time passes, your ex might gain new insights into the relationship. Understanding your worth more clearly can make them regret losing you and miss what you shared. A friendly reminder. Sometimes a mutual friend might share a story about you that highlights your qualities. This reminder can make your ex appreciate you more and miss having you in their life. Thank you for watching. Don't miss out on a second chance at love. Take the initiative to reach out and reconnect with your ex today. Click here below now. Get your ex back.